Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Echo Show 5 that I got from Amazon, and it runs the Alexa voice assistant. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes and to compare it with the Google Nest Hub and to see which one I personally prefer. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So just for a bit of backstory, I've picked this up from Amazon for 35 Australian dollars. These usually retail in Australia for $120, but I was able to get it for $35 because if you signed up to a new Amazon Prime free trial, you could actually get the discount. So I signed up for that today and I got same day delivery. I was really impressed. It was about 8 or 9 hours and then it came. So I was really impressed with how quickly that was delivered. So I'm going to unbox this now. So let's just take a look around the packaging first to see what there is to it. So on the front, you can see it says Echo Show 5 with a picture of the display itself and Alexa down there. On the left side, it says 5.5-inch smart display with Alexa. It's got a little description there. On the back, it just has a few commands you can ask for Alexa, just to give a little bit of a demonstration. On the right side, it gives some of the specifications here and also some of the services you can link with it and also what's in the box. On the top, it just has the Amazon logo, and that's about it for going around the box. So now let's get straight into unboxing it. So we'll turn it around, and on the back here, there's this little plastic pull tab. It sort of resembles a little bit like what Apple's done. And we'll just peel that off here. I can get at it. There we go. And then what we can do is pull up from the back and you'll see that it opens like so. So we can open these pull tabs here and then we can just pull the display out itself. And there we have the smart display itself. Now I'll take a closer look at this in a moment. So I'll put that to the side for now. And let's have a look at what else we get. So we get this little hello documentation. It just says Echo Show 5. It's got some quick start guides and some setup instructions there. So that's nice. Put that to the side. As well as that, you can pull up on this little cardboard section. And you've got your power cable. So this is the power supply here and it's 15 watts. And then it just has a little barrel plug on the end, which will go into the bottom of the Echo Show. So that's about it in the box there, as you can see. So I'll put all that to the side and we'll have a look at the Echo Show 5 itself. Now this is the 2021 release, so it's I think it's either the second or third generation of this, and it is quite nice. It's nice and compact, which makes it great for bedside tables. So what we'll do is got this plastic covering on it, so I'll just peel that off here. Like so. There we go. And put that to the side. And here we have the Echo Show 5. So on the front here, we can see that 5.5-inch display. It is quite compact, but it does look quite nice. You've got the little 2-megapixel camera there. I'll have to see how that goes because it is quite a small megapixel, especially for 2022 now, but we'll see how that goes. And on the top, in terms of buttons, we've got the mute button, volume down and volume up, as well as a manual slider to cover over the camera. So you can see when I slide that across, it puts a physical thing in front of the camera if you want some privacy. And you've also got 2 microphone holes. On the back, you've got this massive speaker and you've got the barrel AC adapter as well as a micro USB input. On the bottom, it just has the Alexa logo with some other information there. We've also got this little grill down here, and on the sides, there is nothing. So yeah, that's a very quick overview about the unboxing of the Echo Show 5 and the 2021 model. I'm going to give this a go quickly now and see how it runs over the next couple of weeks. And let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a review of this after a little bit of use to see how it goes and how it compares to the Google Nest Hub 2nd generation, which I've been using for a little while now. And if you'd like to see the unboxing of that, I've got that. I'll leave that linked in the cards as well, so you can check that out. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea about what the unboxing is like of this Echo Show 5 and whether you would like to pick one up yourself. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.